So what's going on, everybody? It's J.A. Welcome if you are new here and would like to stay up to date on the latest sneaker news and updates, hit the subscribe button. And if you enjoy the content and would like to support the channel, you can definitely do so by hitting the thumbs up button. It helps out the channel tremendously. So it looks like Ye has revealed some new shocking details as the war between him and Adidas continues. But first, we got some big changes that are affecting some of the biggest companies in the sneaker industry. So according to reports, sportswear brands like Nike and Adidas are expected to significantly reduce production starting next year. The reports note that major names in the athletic footwear industry have notified their manufacturing companies that they will be reducing order volumes by 30 to 40% starting summer 2023. Industry insiders are noting that the trend will continue to affect production until winter of 2023, meaning we could see a decline in releases until the summer of 2024. So both brands are reporting positive sales as well as growth in the North America regions, but it is China where these companies are reporting their most significant losses due to the restrictions due to COVID. Plus, with most of their factories being located in China as well, and with all of the COVID restrictions, most factories are operating at under capacity, which has led to many delayed sneaker releases this year. So in order to combat this issue and prevent any further sneaker release delays moving into 2023, Nike as well as Adidas are reportedly reducing up to 40% of factory orders. So how does all of this affect us on a consumer and buyer level? If they're gonna be putting in less orders, does that mean we're gonna have less stock available upon any given release date? I'm not really sure of that answer, but one thing I do know is that these brands will strive to hit their profit margins, and these CEOs will do whatever it takes to hit their yearly bonuses, which on a buyer level, this will probably affect us with lesser quality products as well as higher retail prices, because on a single unit level, these companies are gonna have to reduce costs and make a higher profit on each single unit. So if you think buying sneakers was tough this year, wait until next year happens. Now, Nike has somewhat addressed this issue with an official report titled Inside Sneakers. Now, in this report, Nike claims that they use a variety of tools to identify and remove bots from the sneaker platform. So Nike claims they have a team of engineers dedicated to dismantling bots designed to game launches. They, quote, take bot protection extremely seriously and critically evaluate launches both in real time and retroactively. So they go on to state that depending on the popularity of a specific launch, bot attackers can make up to 10 to 50% of all entries. So Nike, we applaud you for addressing the bot concern, but I feel like if you really cared about the people, rather than flooding the market with all of these BS colorways, why don't you up the production numbers on some of the more hype colors, the releases that people are actually checking for? But on another note, Nike, they will be just fine. They will continue to do their thing. But Adidas, on the other hand, 2023 is looking real shaky for them, especially after cutting ties with their most successful collaborator of all time, Kanye West. So Ye recently appeared on the Timcast, which I believe is some type of politically oriented podcast. Now, before he ended up walking off the set, he claimed that Adidas froze $75 million in his bank account, as well as hit him with a $275 million bill for the Yeezy marketing budget, which he claims they already agreed to pay him. My question is, do you guys feel like Adidas is justified in asking Ye for the $275 million back after they already agreed to pay him out for the Yeezy marketing budget? I mean, if you think about it, we rarely ever saw Ye rocking Yeezys. Now, we did see Kim as well as the kids always rocking Yeezys, and it is reported that Yeezys made over 40% of Adidas profits. So again, do y'all feel like it is justified that Adidas asked for that $275 million back? So it looks like Adidas will continue to do whatever it takes in order to reduce losses after cutting ties with Ye. But as far as 2023 goes, their outlook is looking pretty grim, but they'll be all right. As for Ye goes, we will continue to support, and everybody is just waiting on your next big announcement. So as we continue to closely monitor the situation, I will keep you guys up to date on everything involving Ye and Adidas. So salute to everybody for tuning in. I'm JA. Make sure y'all stay safe, stay blessed, and I'm out, y'all. Salute.